Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AWS Elastic Load Balancing safely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard from the Services menu. In the left sidebar, find and click on Load Balancers under the Load Balancing section. Identify the Elastic Load Balancer you wish to uninstall from the list. Select the checkbox next to the specific load balancer. With the load balancer selected, click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose Delete. A confirmation dialog will appear. Carefully read the warning provided regarding the deletion of the load balancer. If you are sure about your decision, click on the Yes, Delete button. The process might take a few moments. Once complete, you should see a notification confirming successful deletion. Next, move to the Target Groups section in the EC2 dashboard. Identify any target groups associated with the deleted load balancer. Select those target groups by checking their respective boxes. Click on the Actions drop-down again. This time, select Delete. Confirm the deletion in the confirmation dialog by clicking Yes, Delete. Ensure that any associated resources, like security groups or listeners, are also removed if they are no longer needed. Finally, review your setup to confirm that the load balancer and its components have been safely uninstalled. That concludes the process of safely uninstalling AWS Elastic Load Balancing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.